Hi, Francisco with BenQ here. Today, I'd like to take you through the features and functions of your RP7504 BenQ board. Logging into your BenQ board is quick and easy. We utilize different SSO options or single sign-on that you can use to log in using the login button here. From here, you can actually type your username and password if you have actually been added to the BenQ account for your organization directly. This would usually be via email invite. Or if you've been added using an SSO method, you would tap the SSO at the bottom. This includes things like Google, Microsoft, which is going to utilize the SAML or SAML authentication method, ClassLink, or Clever. Please follow up with your local IT department to double check and ensure you're using the correct credentials to log into your BenQ board if you have any questions. Alternatively, you can also hit the QR code button, scan this QR code with a mobile device such as a phone or tablet. That will take you to the same login website utilizing those same methods to log in from your device directly instead of having to type any information on the screen itself. Lastly, and my personal favorite, quickest way to log in is to utilize NFC technology. This will allow you to take an NFC card that has been bound to your BenQ account, come over to the board at the NFC logo, simply tap that card. Once you hear that tone, the BenQ board will log into your BenQ account and the board will be ready to use.